So now we are going to discuss about inspection in the static design techniques. Okay. So this is most formal review type, and it is led by the trained moderators. During the inspection, the documents are prepared and checked thoroughly by the reviewers before the meeting. It involves speed to examine the product. A separate preparation is carried out during which the product is examined and the defects are found. So the defects found are documented in a logging list or issue log. A formal follow-up is carried out by the moderator applying the exit criteria. Okay, so to say in a simple way, it's a more formal review. It is done by the trained moderators. It is led by the trained moderators, and during this inspection, all the documents and all your code, okay, what are the documents which you have created, and the code which you have created, everything will be reviewed thoroughly. Okay, and all the issues and feedback will be put it in a other document. Okay, and the issues are all the issues will be logged in. Okay, it's just like no, these are the issues, go and fix it. It's not like that. Okay, so what are the issues they got, they will log into a bug tracking tool. They'll be logging into the bug tracking tool, and you have to fix all those things one by one. And once you have fixed it, so somebody will be make sure that you have really fixed it, then only they will allow you for exit criteria. So that's about inspection. And it's a most formal review type. That's what we need to remember here.